starting our hike here.
Screens, direction screens.
All right, we're going up the trail here. Let's go. It said it's going to be an easy hike today.
Easy?
That's what you said. That's what you said. But they always lie.
Well, it depends on whose definition it is.
Right. And it's a little cool here in the morning, but it's going to warm up fast. We got shorts on today, so still picking them up, putting them down. All right, let's go. The national park here.
Valley is gold.
This is the larch. Very smooth leaves. Remember Monty Python used to always have this series about the larch. Well, here it is, right in person.
Huh?
Pine tree?
No, these are larches. They're not pine trees.
All right. Well, it's still early morning. We're walking along the trail here, and it's in National Park on the trail. Here's our group up there, and we're going down through here. Got to watch where I'm walking so I don't trip, but very nice. Nobody else here. Sun feels good this early in the morning because it's just a tad chilly here, but it's okay. All right. Oh, we got a little stop. There's a little river down there you can see along the trail here. So we're going to go back on the trail here. All right, keep going here. Another scenic overlook here. Looking down in a big kind of meadowish area. The stream down there. And yeah, there we go. There we are in Switzerland, June 12th, 2022. Back on the trail up here. I'm still here, still doing good. All right, bye-bye. Well, we got a bridge here that we're going to cross. Here, water coming down. Very nice. Lots of clear water. And it flows out over here on this side into that other stream. But very nice water here. I'm going to watch my step. And coming down here. There's from whence we came. This is where we're headed up here. So alright, gotta keep on the trail here. Here we go. Well, even in here in the park, like I said, June 12th, that is snow left over from an avalanche, I think he said earlier, or from snows in the wintertime, but he said probably an avalanche, and that's what's left of the snow that had fallen down from the top. But we're back on the undulating trail here. Some steep parts going up, some parts going down, but I'll feel better after I have lunch here. Okay. Here's another view from the trail. See the mountains up there. River alongside of us here. Looking up the hill up here. And we're still hiking in the Alps in Switzerland. We've been on the go since about 9:15 this morning. We stop every now and then for 2 minutes to look at flowers or something. We just had a little rest stop for like 15 or 20 minutes, which felt good. Took a bite of my sandwich, but saving the rest of that for lunch, which will be quite tasty. All right, this is a hike that's going to be all day up until somewhere like 3 o'clock in the afternoon, I think. So it's all day hike. Okay, here we go down the trail. Still got some snow here, more snow. Yes. Another bridge coming up ahead there. Okay. Oh, we got another bridge we're going to cross here. Okay. Here's the water going down. Crystal clear water coming down from up yonder there somewhere. And there's the other side from whence we came on that trail over there. Look at the water, how clear that is. See right through it. Okay. Well, we're on another part of the trail here. This would all be filled with water, I guess, when they have storms or snow melt or whatever. And but now it's just a trickle. Let's just see up there. Oh, it gets very narrow up here. Gotta watch what I'm doing here. Okay. This is the guy who started the park here. Got a nice little plaque here. And there you go. Okay. We're back on the trail here. Oh, it's like more up. Looks like more ups than downs here. I don't know. Seems to me. Okay. We were just way down there at the bottom where the water is over there. And I climb up, 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 up. Steep trail. I even had to put in steps here. And now it zigzags around and goes up, 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 up. Here. Up into there. Whew. A lot of climbing today. A lot of climbing. I don't know. Kids making it though. It's a struggle. But I'm there. Well, it's 4 o'clock. I think we were supposed to be back at the bus at 3 o'clock. But it was a grueling hike. We've been hiking since 9:15 this morning. We've been going all day. Some of it was going straight up like that. I had to lean forward so far. If I didn't, you know, keep leaning and, you know, didn't watch it, I'd like, whoa, be falling back, you know, because it was so steep. But anyhow, hopefully get back to the bus. We still have more trail to go down to get back to the bus, because this bridge we crossed earlier in the day was a distance up from the bridge. So I hope when we get back to the room, I'll have some time, have a nice cup of tea. My shoulders are aching me from this pack. Not that it's big and heavy, but my bony shoulders, it feels like it's cutting into them. And drank all my water and my additives that I put in there. I should have brought more with me. But it was a grilling day, beautiful weather, in a t-shirt and shorts. So that was fine. And stopped at a bridge here. Coming downhill, I was one of the first ones. So we're taking a rest to wait till the other ones catch up to us here. I was always the last one going up, but the first one coming down. So, yep, so we're going to go back. And then somehow or other my GoPro acts goofy, and I must have hit a button in my pocket or something. So now that I'm in the shade and I can see my phone, I use the Quick app to get everything reset and back to the way it was. So I got a new battery in there. So tired, the kid's tired, and from picking them up, putting them down. The old dogs are tired too. Dogs are tired here. So, all right, enough jibber jabbering here. We gotta get back to business here. Tomorrow, train ride all day, day of rest. Just sit, relax, eat, drink, and watch. All right, Ed Getley, M1 Man, signing out for now.